What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today's video is one of those that it doesn't go the same every time I do a video. A lot of things that are contributing factors mess up certain parts of the video, and I'll tell you the story of today's. Today's video is a 2025 GMC Sierra 2500 AT4. No, actually, I'm sorry. Scratch that. 2025 GMC Sierra 2500 Denali Ultimate is what this is. The truck has 2,000 miles on it. There's some things about this truck that don't make a lot of sense to me. One of the things is the customer has all the trim ripped off the truck, which I understand why he's going to get the trim color matched. So you're going to notice that in the video. I'm gonna go ahead and say it now. You're going to see pieces of the bumper missing, and like the side steps are missing. Some of the trim's gone. So the truck's been sitting here for about 2 weeks now, and the reason is the customer, he's a very nice guy, but he could not make his mind up on what wheel he wanted to go with. So we finally landed on a wheel after 2 weeks through the Christmas holiday. Basically, we were doing this, and we were trying to get the truck done before Christmas, but we didn't have access to the correct set of wheels that he wanted to go with. So he decided to wait, which is a good decision on his part, because rushing one of these things is never a good idea. You might end up buying something that you don't want. So we ended up going with a 24x14 KG1 forged buckler wheel, 35-inch Fury tires, and we're doing a 7-inch McGaughys lift kit. So the video is going to be lacking a couple of the shots of the truck going into the shop. The guys decided to pull it in and didn't tell me, so the truck's already being worked on. That's why you're going to see the first clip like that. But stay tuned. I'm going to do a full video for you on this. Excuse the missing trim pieces. I couldn't help that. It's not my fault. But thanks for watching, guys. Real quick, you've seen the last couple of clips of this truck in the video have had these factory wheels on it. I actually had to put wheel spacers on these wheels to make them fit on the truck, and I have the tires and wheels here for the truck now, the 24x14s and stuff. The customer is supposed to be bringing me some tire sensors to put on here, and I don't have the tire sensors yet, so this build is going to have to take place in the new year, because today is New Year's Eve, and we are about to leave here for the day, and we'll come back here. This will be the first video you guys see on January 1st, or maybe January 3rd. But anyways, I appreciate you guys watching. What's up, everybody? I have a video that we're going to conclude today finally, and it's on a very, very nice truck. I'm super excited about it. It's a 2025 GMC Sierra 2500 Denali Ultimate. We did a big, nice 9-inch McGaughys, I'm sorry, a 7-inch McGaughys lift kit on this one with some 24x14 KG1 forged wheels and some 35-inch Fury tires. Thing about this video, man, I usually get really excited about these videos to do it because it's like within a 2 or 3 day period, I'm filming the video, we're doing the install, I'm editing, I'm posting the video. It's, you know, it's fresh on my mind and I'm excited about it. I've been kind of throwing hints out the last 3 or 4 videos that I posted that this that I had a Denali that was getting done in the back that just couldn't get done. It was customer dropped it off I think the week before Christmas, and our schedule was crazy, and we had the lift kit here for him, and he drops the truck off and he says, I said, what wheels and tires you want to do? He said, oh, I haven't decided yet. I said, well, we need to figure that out pretty quick because, you know, I was going to get the lift in there or get the truck in there on the lift and do it. But the problem on these trucks is you can't lift them and just put the factory wheels back on. You have to have either a wheel spacer or an aftermarket set of wheels that's wide because the factory wheels will hit the spindle. So I don't think he knew that, which is totally okay, but it took us forever to land on a wheel, and he was going back and forth with me on forged wheels or cast aluminum wheels and stuff like that. Anyways, this truck has been here like 3, maybe 4 weeks, and finally we're going to finish it and post a video on it. But the truck has all the trim that would get color matched normally. Some of it is taken off the truck right now, and I don't have it, so you're going to see that the truck is missing body parts, which is crazy, but it doesn't look too bad with the body parts missing. Here's our truck right here, by the way. I'm going to flip the camera around and show you the truck, and let me know what you think back home about the truck. Would you have done black wheels or polished? I really like the way polished looks on white, but a lot of people like black better, so let me know what you think. Here it is, beautiful 2500 Denali Ultimate. Now, here's how you can tell it's a 2025. The Vader Chrome is the existing color from last year. They had some peeling issues with the 2024 truck, so this one has black here and black right here. And if you see a truck like this, you'll know that it's a 25 because it has those black pieces over the 24 having Vader Chrome right there. Once again, there's our McGaughys lift kit. We set this one at 7 inches. The angles are next to perfect on it, flat axle angles, everything looks great. We did the 35 1450 24 Fury MT2 on this one with the 24x14 KG1 buckler in the high polish finish. This is one of the new wheels for last year. The thing looks awesome. The McGaughys kit comes with the front kicker braces here with the stainless steel accents. We did not do the traction bars in the rear of this. It's not a required part that you have to do. Man, this thing is pretty though. The pieces I was talking about that he's missing, that he's getting color matched, are this piece, the bottom fender piece, the step is gone, the mud flaps in the rear also gone. I'm sure there's more that I'm missing here that's missing, but interior looks awesome. That brown leather everybody loves. Got our Ultimate badges there. Got our Denali mountain coordinates here. These lines right here are the map design. Somebody commented on a video and gave me the exact term for it, but this is like how you tell the height on a map of, you know, I don't know. I'm not a geography expert or anything like that. Big screens as usual. Sunroof in this one. Did we do good on it, or should we have changed something else? Let me know. If you guys have any questions, shoot me a call, 678-994-9180. My name is Jake. I'm at Southern Tire in McDonough, Georgia. Thank you for watching.